forms of this HFT and all that thing, I would request the panelists to use the full form so that it is...
Yes, we will. We will. HFT is high frequency trading. Algo is algorithm. AT is algorithmic trading. What else? Which other short forms are we using? Which other short forms are we using? Why don't we open for questions?
So can we, let's open the floor for the questions. Any of the audience would like to ask the panelists any questions?
Madam.
Yeah, it's very nice that you've offered to elaborate these opinions. I was just keen to know whether IBT stands for Internet Broadband Trade.
Internet-based trading platform. Please, we invite you to ask as many questions as you'd like because you'll never get such a good panel in front of you again.
See, in algo trading, computer is used to make combination of scripts, and there is a statistical arbitrage. It is called statistical arbitrage, which is done so that the computers or the software is made such a way that it generates a combination of scripts which gives the best alpha, the best profit. Luckily, the organizers have got some kind of algo trading software, and they have put this panelist list into it, and they have found out this 4 panelists who are from the different field. Like he is from the software, he is from the teaching field, as well as he is a broker.
Why don't we introduce ourselves?
Yeah, please.
So, my name is Vivek, and basically we are into strategy designing and developing algo trading systems. So, and we mainly specialize in directional trend following strategies, and we can automate on different platforms, trading platforms.
Good afternoon. I am Yuvraj Thakkar. I am a broker. We currently have our own algorithmic trading environment that we have developed from scratch. We have a lot of high frequency and low frequency trading strategies. The difference is high frequency will trade 5 times in 1 second, whereas a low frequency strategy will trade maybe once, twice, or 5 times in a day. We have a lot of both institutional and retail participation, but unfortunately right now the largest portion of the company using algorithms is my own proprietary desks, because there is a definite advantage that you can get by using computers to make your sodas for you. So an experienced trader will take approximately 3 to 4 seconds to see a price on a screen, think, take a decision, and shoot an order into the market. Approximately 4 to 5 seconds, and these are very experienced traders. Whereas a computer can get a price from the market, take a decision, shoot an order, and get a confirmation back in 8 milliseconds. And 1 second has 1,000 milliseconds.
Yes, I am Praveen Gupta from Symphony FinTech. We are a technology company. We have developed a trading platform which can be used for automated trading by the individual traders. Different type of traders can come and trade through our platform. Could be the technical analyst, or it could be the jobbers, intraday traders, positional traders, through our partner brokers. So yes, we have taken quite a bit of, we have studied this market with the individual traders in the low frequency trading area, and our vision is that we should make each and every of the trader in India to be an algo enabled trader.
My name is Gaurav Rasada. We have a firm called Quant Institute, where we basically provide education for people who basically want to do algorithmic trading in India. And we basically enable people who are currently manual traders to basically come on to the algorithmic trading platforms and trade through them. And basically we enable them to basically have those skills which are needed to be algorithmic traders. How to basically handle risk, how to develop positions, how to manage trading positions, and so on. So basically, in that sense, we are playing a role of an enabler in this market, in this ecosystem, where from being an individual trader to moving on to an algorithmic trading platform is basically considered to be quite difficult, whereas it is not.
Yeah, and myself is Krishna Raval. I am managing partner of Commodities Trade Service, member of MCX, and we do algo trading as well. So right now there is a wide area covered by this panelist of for especially for algo trading or automated trading. So if any audience guys would like to ask any questions, please do not hesitate.
I have a query, About 7-8 years ago, we were expected to know nothing and enter the market based on tips or some advice. Then gradually it was told to us, now you have to learn some technical analysis. So we start reading some charts, some Bollinger Band, some RSI, some moving averages. We started looking at P ratios and PEG ratios. Then came electronic trading and brokers said, well, now you can put the orders electronically. And now, and at every stage, the trader or the investor is looking for a magic wand by which he can continuously make money. And now the magic wand, because I saw just before lunch, half the hall was empty, now it's all full. Why? Because the algo has been told as like, this is the magic wand which will continuously make money. You go to your office, put an algo in the place, and by the evening you come back and you are a rich man. How true is that, sir?
एक बहुत कॉमन मिसकंसेप्शन क्या है कि एल्गो आप लगा दो और पैसा बनेगा. Algorithms are a way to execute your orders. It is a way to be first. आप खुद कितने काउंटर देख पाते हो एक दिन में? 5, 6. How many scripts can you trade individually? 5, 6. The decision process on each of those scripts is the same. इसका टेक्निकल ये बोला तो मैं खरीदूंगा, टेक्निकल ये बोला तो मैं बेचूंगा. With algorithms, you are getting benefits of diversification because now you can look at 50 scripts. Secondly, there is a personal bias that gets involved. कि अरे यार market weak लग रहा है मेरे को नहीं करना है या market strong लग रहा है मेरे को double करना है. Algorithms do not have those personal biases. But at the end of the day, algorithms are just execution. The strategy is yours. So if your strategy makes money, आपने जो कंप्यूटर को सिखाया है, अगर वो strategy सही है, तो आपका पैसा बनेगा. And आप खुद ट्रेड करने जाओ या algorithm ट्रेड करे, उसमें आपको फर्क दिखेगा. An algo will be able to trade in more counters and more accurately. Whereas if your strategy is wrong, पैसा लगने ही वाला है.
Gupta ji, can you just say, since you have been providing the softwares, are there any myths among the retail customers about the algos?
So yeah, this is the biggest myth which we already talked, that algorithmic trading is a money-making machine. So truly not. See, basically algorithmic trading is helping you to become a disciplined trader. Okay, earlier you had human emotions. When you sit in front of the screen, you get nervous or you just take an ad hoc decision, you just buy something, and there is a fear and a greed, which we know of in the market. They are the biggest culprit. So you have a fear that market will crash and I should exit, or you have a greed that no, market will keep on progressing well and I should hold on to my position. So which is not correct. So algorithmic trading will help you being a disciplined trader. Before you enter into the market, you should know when are you going to exit. Unless and until you have defined your rules, how are you going to exit, don't enter into the market. And once you have done that, believe in your system. Okay, whatever your system says, whatever you had pre-decided, you just follow that. Okay, so that is what it helps you. I always say that basically trading industry as such, it is a battlefield. Okay, we all of us are fighting it. Some are going to win and some are going to lose. Okay, those who are disciplined, those who have better tools and technologies, those who have better methodologies are going to win. Okay, so they are going to win, or they are going to win more. They are going to scale their operations. If you are a wealth manager, if you are an asset manager making money of your clients, you are able to do it for 5, 10, 15 clients. You will be able to do it for 50 or 100 clients by using the algorithmic trading. Okay, if you are handling maybe 1 crore of your capital or your margin, you will be able to possibly multiply it if you have the funds to maybe 10 crores or 10 times. So this will help you in scaling up your business and profitability, or reducing your risk, lowering your risk, and help you to be a better trader than what you are.
Yeah, most of this, other than that, what you could look at is actually the system you choose or the algo you choose to trade. Make sure it suits your style, personality, and what you want. Like, let's say there's some strategy you don't understand. I don't understand certain things. Like, if I trade that, I can't trade it, I can't make money off it. Because when it's not working, I'll stop. More or less, I'll tend to stop it. So do something you understand. The algo will help you to, like Yuvraj and Praveen, I just said, do position sizing. Very important for, so trading is actually a business, but we don't generally view it as a business.
So,
Mostly, right?
so one small query. Trading is basically a zero-sum game. Everywhere, you know, whether it's a zero-sum game. So going forward, let's say 5 years, 10 years, right now only 40%, mostly institutions are into algos, our volumes. Eventually a day will come, maybe even people like us might participate and maybe 20-30% volume would be generated more from the retail side. So eventually, as if I rightly understood, later on it would not only be the execution that will matter. So what algos will provide is, basically it would be one algo trading the another algo, the way we have one human being trading another human being?
No. So not absolutely 100% entirety, but I would say to a large degree, trading is also a game where you're not just there to beat the other, but if you beat yourself in that sense, you know, so you are actually battling against yourself a lot of times. I mean, you could see your own trading results and check it. A lot of times what you're doing is, if you can put in discipline, you can, you know, make sure you stick by your rules and you check your ledger versus a period where you did not do that, and you know, that'll give you the answer. So to a degree it is both. You are also playing against yourself. A lot of times that's what Gaurav would probably add.
One